sakes, this mohawk has gotten just way too long. This thing's gotta get taken. Like, look at this thing. This thing's crazy. Today is February 19th, 2017. We're doing vlog 17 today. I'm going to my grandparents' house probably in about an hour or so. I gotta get ready. I'm still, honestly, look at me, I'm in my pajamas still. I gotta go to my grandparents today. It's family day on Monday, tomorrow. And I don't work for once. Finally, I get to sleep in on a Monday. We're gonna set up this 17 vlog right now. I'm not gonna be able to get my mohawk into my car, so I'm gonna have to crush it down. This is the best part about going to my grandparents, so let's get out. I'm here at my grandparents now for vlog 17. I'm gonna go up. I brought a milkshake for my grandma. She wanted pineapple. Oh God. I almost just fell there. So I'm here. I'm here for vlog 17 now. Got my milkshake. Yeah. What happened?
You're gonna eat lasagna today. Listen.
Why are you eating lasagna?
Roast beef sandwich I'm gonna make you. I put mustard on, right?
So this is what you've been doing all day?
Yeah. No, I'm just asking you because I gotta go.
Where are you going?
Don't do that.
Where are you going?
Don't do that. I gotta go to the lumber store and buy some insulation. You want more beef on there?
No, that's good. That's good for me.
Sure?
Oh,
okay.
Yeah.
And there's mustard on there, okay? Okay, listen. You gotta do me a favor.
Take your shoes off.
At 12:15,
12:15.
you pull this out.
Okay.
Right there. Like that. Take the lid off and shove it back in for about another 15 minutes. Okay? At 12:15, it's done an hour and 40 minutes.
Do you want my grape bring me
Because
there?
I gotta go for a haircut.
Are you going right now for your haircut?
I gotta go to the lumber store.
You there.
So enjoy your sandwich, okay? I made it for you.
Awesome, thank you.
You make a way.
You want a pickle with it?
A pickle.
No?
Too much.
German pickle. What, you don't want a German pickle? No? You don't know what's good. Okay, at 12:15, open up that lasagna. And leave it for another 15 more minutes.
Let me see, Grape.
Remind me at 12:15 to open the
No, never mind. The machine said
Ready?
your brain is gonna get lazy if you do that.
No!
How much you pay for the glasses?
Oma, I'm done my vlog 17. I'm going home.
Oh, okay.
I'm going home now though. It's time for me to probably clean up my house a little bit.
Okay. I'll see you like next week.
Alrighty, I'll be here next week. At least the weather's getting better. Today's a beautiful day outside too. It's actually really nice outside. Oh my God. I got everything. So I finally made it back to my place for my vlog. Man, my grandparents wasn't too good today. Gotta say, I didn't get too much done. Didn't really do too much there. Something smells good. Going?
I don't know. Let's do it.
I kind of want tacos.
You want tacos?
A little bit, honestly. They're trying to climb up the side of the mountain. Look.
Can I throw in my window?
Yeah, and I want to get a case of pop. Hopefully. I went to my grandparents and that was boring.
I mean, you got a sandwich out of it.
I got a roast beef sandwich.
Okay, Cindy. Yeah. Oh, look at you. You're so large and in charge.
That's a big cat.
No. You know, from up here, you don't look so big. You're a fighting machine, right? Where's the tinfoil?